Hello everyone. Today we're going to take a look at the Godox AD200Pro. It's one of the most popular portable flashes on the market. Whether you're a professional photographer or a passionate hobbyist, this little powerhouse completely changes your lighting game. And if you're interested, check out the affiliate link below. So first things first, portability. Weighing just over a pound, the AD200Pro is lightweight and compact. It's about the size of a smartphone, but actually a little bit bigger than that, and packs the power you'd expect from a much larger flash. This makes it the perfect item for location shoots, for anyone who needs a travel light. It's very easy to set up. You can throw it on a light stand or even use it handheld. And thanks to its built-in rechargeable battery, which you can remove, you'll get up to 500 full power flashes on a single charge. Let's talk about the versatility. One of the coolest things about the AD200Pro is its interchangeable heads. You get the Speedlite head, which is a Fresnel lens, which allows you to really project more focused light, and the Bare-bulb lens, which gives you a softer, broader spread. You can easily swap these out depending upon your lighting needs, which is a huge advantage for creative control. Now, with a max output of 200 watt seconds, the AD200Pro is powerful enough to really work great in sunset or sunrise settings. In the middle of the day, you'll probably need to upgrade to a 400 or a 600, but you get 9 different power levels with 1/10 stop increments, and you can take total control of that. Of course, this is compatible with all the full Godox X system remotes, which means the wireless control that you can put on your hot shoe adapter for the Godox trigger, and lets you adjust the settings without having to touch the light. The result is a consistent, beautiful lighting no matter where you're shooting. From portraits to product photography, the AD200Pro gives you professional results every time.